For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the.
Yo, what are you doing, chick? You look awesome. Hey.
Where's my bike?
Your bike? I don't know. All right. So we had a little bit of a driver's meeting. But now we're gonna go unload the car. You ready? Unload some cars. Let's get it. So we're out here at Elk Creek Dragway. Tukey, show them the new addition. What is it? We got us a new. I told Adeline I'd put a big old sticker on there for us, so we got a big old sticker. What do you think, wifey? Yeah? What do you think about the sticker? Huh? Nothing? Alright. They're doing some shakedown passes for other classes and whatnot. And I don't know who we got yet, so we'll find out. Alright guys, so we're here at Killer Street, Elk Creek Dragway. And of course, we draw our buddy Andrew first round, which is so stupid, but it is what it is. So, we're about to make some licks. So as always, we're in the second chance. I'm not sure who we're running, but we're gonna see what we can do.
He might lose. Chances are that. Yeah, Adeline made that do that, so.
guys, so it went to the absolute moon first round of second chance. So we're gonna change some things. We got a grudge race against this car here, and we're gonna see what we can do. All right, guys, so I did not do a very good job at YouTubing during this Killer Street event. First round, we ended up drawing my buddy Andrew Bell with the rear mount turbo LS S10. So little thing about this Killer Street event, we decided to put the numbers on the boards. So we both line up, we both hit pretty decent lights. The margin of victory was .0328. I went a 517 at 142, and I was extremely ecstatic about that. That was absolutely amazing. So, you know, awesome to get a race with a buddy. He ended up going on to the finals, and you know, can't beat that. So we decided to run the second chance race. So I was like, well, we're going to go after it a little harder in the 60 foot and see what we can do. Tighten the front end down a little bit. Or no, I'm sorry, I didn't touch anything. Just tried to ramp it in a little faster, RPM a little bit up, boost up. And as you can see, it decided to go to the absolute moon. I mean, just immediately power wheelied up and super, super high. It was crazy. And so we did that. And then I was gonna grudge race the Birds of Prey car, the Pontiac. And as we were sitting there waiting, somebody had just oiled the track down with transmission fluid, and then the rain came. And so we were not able to run. Andrew ended up splitting in the finals with Randy Neese with the Thunderbird. And so we didn't get to see a final, didn't get to grudge race. I had tightened it down and took a little bit of RPM out of the launch, and we were going to go after it in the 60. So, you know, it went 129 to the 60 foot, 348 to the 330, and then a 517 at 142. So the old small block Ford is rolling now. So I'm pretty excited about that. So I do apologize for the quality of the YouTube videos here lately. Once you put a bunch of effort into them and you don't get much feedback and you don't get much in the way of views, it definitely pulls wind out of your sails. Big shout out to Peyton with Backtrack Videos. I really appreciate him putting the GoPros on my car and giving me the footage. And so go check his video out, give him a subscribe, and like his videos. So big shout out to all the people who helped me. I was so excited to have my wife and kids both there. Miss Adeline decided that she wanted a sticker on the car, and as you can see, we now have a pink unicorn sticker on the car. So yeah, had a great time. Big shout out to Terry Harris for putting on the Killer Street event. Hopefully we'll be there in June, weather permitting and everything else permitting. So yeah, had an absolutely great time. So guys, I really appreciate it. I apologize for not doing a better job filming at the track. It was a little bit rushed. It was a little crazy because we were trying to get it in before the rain, and we had the two kids, and then just multiple things. And I'm just not doing very, you know, wind out of my sails type of situation. So that's going to be it for this video. I do appreciate it. Thank you for watching and for supporting the channel. The little small block Ford from TKM and built in the hills of West Virginia is doing pretty good. I am extremely, extremely ecstatic. I think we can get a 4-second pass this year out of it, which it's amazing to me that I was able to build a 4-second car. Like, I mean, I know it's time and money, but still, like, it takes a lot, and I'm proud that we did that. So I'm proud we've got 142 miles an hour is rolling. So I was extremely surprised to see that. So guys, we'll catch you in the next video. We will see you. Peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the